Welcome back to Lon's Rods. I got these fenders and hood cleaned up, threw some Rust-Oleum on it so they don't flash rust, protect them, and I'll do a light sanding and paint them. But yeah, they turned out nice. Even though how much Bondo they had on them, they straightened up pretty nice. So get all the lower cowl and everything, bolt holes where I can bolt everything back together. I also fabbed up some new body mounts off the 2-inch square. Just put some angle, gonna put some gussets, and cleaned up the old floor supports. So those will go right in, bolt in, and then I can weld them into the new floor patches. So got both sides cleaned up and all the body mounts welded back in. So now she is supported, and I can finish with the rebuild of the floors, make everything square and solid, and then add my rear doors so it's a 4-door. So that'll be next. Thanks. Like and subscribe to Lon's Rods, getting this Willys back together again. Humpty Dumpty. Swiss cheese. Have a good one. Later.